So electric potential difference and electric potential. We know that liquids are flow from higher level to lower level, right? Consider this is the higher level and this is the lower level. The difference between the level shows the direction, right? Difference between the levels shows direction of flow. Right? Same as like as liquids, in electrostatics we have electric potential. Electric charges are flow from higher potential to lower potential, right? So we know that group of charges means field. So the electric field around the group of charges known as electric field strength. Electric field strength, right? Here the electric field strength can also be represented as scalar quantity. Okay, here the electric field strength also represented as scalar quantity, and electric field strength and electric intensity are related to each other. Right? So before knowing electric potential difference, these are the basics to know, right? So same as like as liquids, charges are flow from higher potential to lower potential. The electric field around the group of charges are known as electric field strength. Here electric field strength also can be represented as scalar quantity, and electric field strength and electric intensity are related to each other. So in order to explain the electric potential difference, we have considered two charges. So one is positive charge plus Q, and another one is Q naught. This is test charge, right? Consider the positive charge. Consider the positive charge, right? Next, also unit positive test charge Q naught. So this test charge experiences the repulsive force from Q. Q naught experiences repulsive force when it gets moved from this point to this point. So on experiencing repulsive force, we consider 2 points, right? Here our aim is to move the test charge from B to A in electric field. If we consider this is a electric field, right? So now aim is to move test charge conclusion, how we give the conclusion means the ratio of work done in moving the test charge Q naught from one point to another point in a electric field to the magnitude of test charge. Magnitude of test charge known as electric potential difference. Electric potential difference. So the ratio of work done in moving the test charge from one point to another point in an electric field to the magnitude of the test charge, because electric field strength can also be described as scalar quantity, to the magnitude of the test charge is known as electric potential difference, right? So here some work is done, right? How? That means VA minus VB equals to W by Q naught. This is the electric potential difference. The ratio of work done in moving the test charge from one point to another point to the magnitude of the test charge is known as electric potential difference, right? Next, in order to explain electric potential, here we have 2 points now. So one of the point must be considered as a reference point. That means it is at infinity. So infinity means 0. So if we consider one of the point as reference point, then it equals to 0. Suppose B chosen at infinity. Suppose B chosen at infinity. That means B equals to 0. Then VA equals to W by Q naught. Here, to move the test charge from one point to another point, one of the external force acts on the test charge, right? So here the electric potential at a point in the electric field is defined as the electric potential at a point in the electric field is defined as the external agent is defined as work done by an external agent in carrying one point to another point against the electric force known as electric potential. And how we define electric potential difference? The ratio of work done in moving a test charge from one point to another point in an electric field to the magnitude of the test charge is known as electric potential difference. The electric potential at a point in the electric field is defined as the work done by an external agent in carrying the test charge Q naught from one point to another point. From one point here means infinity. We consider B as a reference point. So infinity to sum of the one point against the electric force known as electric potential. This is about electric potential difference and electric potential.